Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's session, we'll discover the Japanese concept of Ukiyo-e. This word literally translates as floating worlds and refers back to a particular form of Japanese art. But Ukiyo-e is also used to describe people who live life to the fullest without getting flustered by unpredictable events. Start by finding an easy seat. Allow your spine to lengthen without creating tension. Soften your shoulders and find a comfortable place to rest your hands. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep inhalations and exhalations, letting your breath wash over you. With the next few exhales, soften your entire body. Give yourself permission to relax into this very moment. And now, let your breath settle back to its natural pace. As you continue to breathe, notice the place where your inhales and exhales are most easily felt. Is it in the rise and fall of your belly? Do you feel your chest expanding and releasing? Or is your breath more accessible as it moves in and out of your nose? Let your awareness settle wherever your breath is clearest. Follow your breath here from beginning to end. Let your attention be soft, resting on your breath like a feather floating effortlessly on the surface of a lake. And whenever thoughts, emotions, or sensations arise, let them come and go without judgment. Whether pleasant or unpleasant, note the distraction and return to your breath, flowing in and flowing out. Now, widen your awareness. Have you ever noticed that some people react strongly to mundane incidents like getting stuck in traffic, while others don't get easily irritated and stressed out? The thing is, life is full of small, seemingly inconsequential events like misplacing our sunglasses or breaking our favorite mug. If we let these things rile us up, we start to see life itself as stressful. But the opposite is also true. When small things happen and we manage to stay cool and collected, we reduce our overall stress. We also strengthen our ability to keep calm in more stressful situations, like having to find a new job. The Japanese concept of Ukiyo-e describes people who don't sweat the small stuff. As such, they embrace life to the fullest rather than taking it for granted. So why not fuel our mindfulness practice by embodying Ukiyo-e? As we stay present, compassionate, and accepting, remaining calm when little things arise, we open up to how beautiful life can be. So when it rains on the day you're supposed to meet a friend in the park, remember Ukiyo-e. Pause, tune into your breath, and view it as a unique opportunity to be with yourself. Treat yourself to something that wouldn't otherwise be possible. Enjoy a long soak in the tub, watch an old movie, or just relish in the unexpected free time in your day. Now, slowly return to your breath. Feel your whole body breathing with you. Bring small movements back to your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember Ukiyo-e today, and don't sweat the small stuff. We'll see you back here tomorrow.